In this section, we are going to learn about HTML text formatting. HTML contains several elements for defining text with a special meaning. For example, let's just say you want to make a word bold in a paragraph. How are you going to do that? You can give that a p tag, p, and then write this, uh, this is a bold text. Now, I want to make the word here bold. To do that, all I have to do is use the p tag, p start and p end. And in between the p, I'm going to put the word bold. See, the text here has become bold. Now, for screen reader, we can use Shift Alter down arrow. For screen reader, we can use the strong tag. So it is going to bold it and also put an emphasis on it. Now, let's just say I want to change it to an italic text. How are we going to do that? I want it to be italic, right? To do that, all I have to do is use the I tag. Now it has changed to italic. Now I want my screen reader to put an emphasis on the word. To do that, I'm going to change the word to emphasized and use the tag em. Now my screen reader, when reading it, will put an emphasis on this word. Now, let's just say I am writing a formula, chemical formula. This is formula for water and it is going to be H2O. But 2 should be above, somewhat above the H, right? To do that, all we can use the sub tag SUB and put 2 inside that sub. Now you can see that my H2O, let me, now we can see that we have perfectly written the H2O. So the subscript text appears half a character above our normal line. Now let's just say um, I want the 2 to be beneath half a character beneath the H beneath our line. To do that, I can also use this is a formula for and so let's just say I want to use a footnote. This is a footnote and I want to put a reference to it, reference to a link. Now, how are we going to do that? We are going to use the sub tag and put the A1 inside the sub tag. Now, we can also use, now let's just say I want to mark a word. To do that, I can use the mark tag. A mark tag, this is a mark tag, marked word. And I'm going to use the mark tag. Now, see, this word has been highlighted. Now, if I want to insert a text, my browser, if I use the INS element, it is going to, my browser will underline the inserted text. So let's see how it does. This is inserted text, and if I use the ins tag and put inserted here, it is going to underline it and my browser is going to count that as an inserted text. Now let's just say I deleted a text. How are we going to do that? Copy paste. This is a deleted text. Now I can write del. It is going to just line through this word. So this is how you can format your text in your HTML.